In this video, I'll be taking you over the steps of how you can start trading Forex from opening your account, funding your account, and making the first trade. Now it's very important before you delve into the world of Forex, you take your time to learn about Forex trading. Now a place that you can learn for free is babypips.com. This is the website. The link will also be in the description of this video. Now once you're on babypips.com, you're going to select Learn Forex. And then you can start the School of Pipsology. You don't need a Forex course. Now let's go back to HF markets. Now a very important thing when selecting a broker is that you want to know your deposit and your withdrawal method. You want to ensure that when you deposit money, you can withdraw it back. So to see the deposit and withdrawal method as of recording this video, you're going to go to trading, then you're going to select deposit and withdrawals. Now for deposits, you can do a wire transfer. The minimum is $100. You have the option to deposit with your debit or credit card. The minimum amount is $5 and you can deposit up to a maximum of $10,000. No fees, and it takes up to 10 minutes to deposit. Now for alternative methods, you have crypto. The minimum amount is $30. FasterPay $5, NetTeller $5, and Skrill $10, right? These two are instant, and the NetTeller and Skrill take up to 10 minutes, and there are no fees associated with those options. Now let's go to the withdrawals. Now if you fund your account initially with a debit or credit card, that amount must be withdrawn back to your debit or credit card. You cannot wire transfer it. Now if you make profits, then your profits should be wire transferred to your bank account. You cannot withdraw it to your debit or credit card. So you need to know that. Now for the wire transfer, it takes 2 to 10 business days, and same for the debit or. Now both wire transfer and the credit or debit card withdrawal method takes 2 to 10 business days, and there are no fees associated with the withdrawal. Now your bank may charge you additional fees, so please keep that in mind. So once you're on the website, you're going to hit register. The link is in the description of this video, right? So select register. Then from the drop down, you're going to select your country of residence. Specify your email address, a password, and then select continue. Now check your email address and provide the verification code here. On this page, complete your personal information, then scroll down and select continue. On this page, complete your address as shown on your utility bill or your bank statement, as well as complete your investor profile and your income. Then select continue. Now on this page, you're going to be required to upload your proof of ID. So whether it be a passport or a driver's license, you need to upload the front and back if it's a driver's license. So you could choose to continue with your mobile or the device you're currently using, right? So here, select your country of residence, then select continue. Select the country where your ID was issued, and then select your document type, and then here is where you're going to upload the front and the back of the document depending on the type that you selected. Once your upload is complete, select next to continue. Now here you need to upload your proof of residence, so you can utilize a utility bill or a bank statement. At this stage, your document will be verified, and once there is no issue, your account should be opened. So there they're saying congratulations, my account has been verified. Now that your account is verified, you can choose to fund your account by selecting deposit. Choose how you want to fund your account. So the easiest option is debit or credit card. So we're going to be selecting the debit or credit card option. Or you can choose between a MasterCard or a Visa card. To know which one of them you have, look at the logo of the card. Once you provide your payment information, select pay. My account has been successfully funded. So I'm going to hit back to Artifacts. So my payment has been initiated. So I'm going to select continue here. So if your account is taking a while to be funded, you need to go to accounts. Under the notification section, select account. Now to have the pending deposit added to my account, I need to verify my card. I'm going to click here. And then I need to upload a picture of the front side of my card and then the reverse side of my card, as well as upload a bank statement that is associated with the card. Then you acknowledge and submit card verification. Once you complete all the verification documents, sign it by providing your first and surname and then submit card verification. So this may take a day or two to complete. So in the interest of time, I'm going to go ahead and open a demo account as well as a live trading account. So the next step is to go to trading accounts, select open a live account, choose your phone verification method. I'm going to select SMS. Once you validate your phone number, select next. Now here I'm going to select open trading account. Now on this page, you can choose your account type. Now if you're a beginner and you want some bonus, you can go with bonus accounts, right? So if we step back and take a look at the promotion, you'll learn more about the bonus account. So select bonus available. So you can get 20% on your top up. So if you put on $100, you get 120, so on and so forth, up to $5,000, right? So we're just going to select open trading account here. It's select to continue. Now you can choose between MT4 or MT5. I'm just going to go with HFM or the MT5 platform, right? My base currency is USD and my leverage, I'm going to drop it down to say 1 to 500. Enter the password for your trading account. Agree to the terms and conditions and select open account. Now my funding is still in progress. As soon as the transaction is completed, you'll be notified and you'll be able to continue live trading on the account, right? So we're just going to select close for now and proceed to open a demo account. So go to trading accounts, select open demo account. I'm going to select the demo 0 account. I'm going to adjust the balance and set $5,000 and set a password as well. Accept the terms and conditions and then select open account. Please note that for MT4 and MT5, you have to use different apps. So you can download both of them from the App Store or Play Store. So this is the trading details that you'll need to log into the broker on your MT4. So what I'm going to do now is that I'm going to hop over to my mobile phone and continue with the next step. So we're going to log in and I'll be sharing with you how you can open your first trade. So I've just downloaded the MT4 app. Now just hit open, accept the terms and conditions, hit cancel. Now select login to existing account. So here the server we're going to search for is HFM Markets SV Demo Server. So it's this one here, HFM Markets SV Demo Server. So it will vary depending on when you open your account, right? But you should get the idea. Now enter your login ID. That's, in my case, it's this account number here. Once you complete your password, hit sign in. And these are a list of pairs, right? So I'm going to select your JPY and I'm going to select trade. And here you have the option to buy or sell. Now here is where you adjust your lot size. Basically that determines how much leverage you're taking on. So you can increase it by hitting this one, or you can decrease it by 0.1. Now this jumps by 0.10, right? Now this option is if you want to buy it or sell it at the current price that the currency pair is selling. Now you have the option to set pending orders. So here, if you select market execution, you see you have buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, and sell stop. So what's the difference between these? Now let's go to Trading View. The link will be in the description of this video. You can open an account with Trading View. So here I have a chart, remove, and this is the current price. Now buy stop is when you anticipate price to continue go up if it hits a certain price. So if it hit this price here, 168, then I want to buy in the direction, right? Now sell stop is the opposite. So sell stop would be if I expect price to come down from here, and then here I just continue to expect it to fall. That's where you'd put in a sell stop order. Now buy limit is when you expect price to drop to like a support and then continue going up. Now sell limit is the reverse. So here we have say a resistance. Now if price pushes up to this level, then we want a sell limit. So we are anticipating that price will reverse once it hits the sell limit. So I hope that helps. Now you need to manage your trade. So let me make this a bit smaller, bring up my mobile phone. So you need to set a stop loss and take profit whenever you take a trade, right? So stop loss is where you expect price to reverse. So for example, at this line could be your stop loss, 153.59. This is your USD, so let's set it to your JPY. Stop loss 153.595. And the take profit is this blue line here, 173.443. And then you'll simply select buy to execute your trade. However, the market is currently closed, so I can't execute it. So I'd have to wait until the market opens before I could take the trade. So that's basically it in a nutshell. I hope this helped you get started, right? And the key thing in Forex to make it is discipline. So that's it for now, guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.